Rewrite the following sentences. The new 2025 Audi Q9 is an upcoming full-size family-friendly SUV that is likely to come soon sometime in 2025. The SUV will boast modern luxury elements, including an advanced smart touchscreen display featuring the latest infotainment system with enhanced connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. In an effort to dominate the SUV market in the United States and China, Audi plans to launch several new SUVs, including the Q9, Q8, and Q7. Recognizing the significance of the USA as the second-largest SUV market globally, Audi aims to debut its new SUVs in China and the United States by 2025, with a potential global release by the end of 2026. The exterior design of the Audi Q9 is poised to exude boldness and aggression, as indicated by renderings and leaked images. Notable features include a wider grille, a sharp and broad bonnet, an extended wheelbase, and an eye-catching exterior style with multi-spoke wheels. Leaked images suggest that the Q9 will surpass its Q7 and Q8 counterparts in width and length. Internally, the Q9 is expected to offer a more luxurious and spacious experience compared to Audi's previous SUVs. The interior will likely feature a large touchscreen display, the latest infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a driver information display, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi hotspot, and other premium amenities. With a 3-row seating configuration accommodating up to 7 passengers, ample cargo space behind the third row will be complemented by the option to fold the second or third row for additional cargo room. Overall, the Q9's interior promises to be modern, spacious, luxurious, and practical. In keeping with industry trends, Audi aims to equip the Q9 with a comprehensive suite of standard safety and driver assistance technologies. Anticipated features include forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, an automatic emergency braking system, lane keeping assist with lane centering assist, and other advanced safety measures, ensuring a secure driving experience. The following are some expected safety features that could be available with the new Q9 SUV. Insert safety features.